Hi there, welcome back. Great new video for you here. Someone asked me how to do this video, so I thought I'd make it up. How to install APKs or Android files, Android programs on a PC. The best thing to use is a program called BlueStacks. Now it's really great, really small program and really powerful. Go to this website or go to Google and type in BlueStacks, or I will get a link. BlueStacks official site, bluestacks.com. Click download BlueStacks, or download BlueStacks there. It will then download, click and open. It will then come up with extract and do everything. Once it's been downloaded and extracted, you will get this on your desktop. Basically, double click. And it opens up BlueStacks. Now in BlueStacks you can go to the Play Store, or you can even download APKs and run an APK. You can even put file linked on. So what I'll do is, now I've shown you how to do this, I'll do separate videos on how to do file linked, how to put on like OLED TV, how to put on like Cinema HD TV. We'll do a lot of videos all in depth on this. But yeah, this is the video on how to put this on. Thank you very much.